So here is an update on my tomatoes. And as you will see, we had a really bad storm, knocked a lot of them over, and I'm slowly tying them back up. But they have plenty of room to breathe at the bottom, and the harvest is truly substantial. So it's a blessing. Look how many are on one plant. Truly amazing. Truly, truly. And there's the ox hearts that I've been telling you about. The potatoes fell down in the storm, but they're fine. They're doing well under the ground. Check out these cantaloupe. I have no idea how many cantaloupe are in here, but I know that there is a lot. And you can tell that each yellow flower is going to be a cantaloupe. So praise God. I have replanted the zucchini on the unrow. Next is pea pods, and they are potting. You can see the beets, peppers, spices are doing good. This is a 4 o'clock flower. This is the one zucchini that I have that I planted late to keep me in zucchini while we trade it out for the second harvest. And the spices are good, the celeriac is growing, everything's good. I praise God for His goodness, and I get to see it in the land of the living. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.